So overall, I thought the kit was pretty good, but I'm just gonna change a few things. Oh, I wanted to show you this too. So here I have the rest of my cord from the lash things that I use. So I'm gonna take this survival kit, put it in this little baggie, and I am going to put this pocket knife in. I'm going to take this one out from my other one and put that in there. And then I'm just going to put this cordage on top. So, got that, and now let's zip it shut. So that's a nice little bag right there. And because that wasn't very good, that cord, it took up a lot of space and it wasn't very much. So I'm using this actual paracord. So I'm putting it in here. And now we have a lot of open room. So I'm probably just gonna add on a lot of stuff later. But because I took out my other pocket knife, I'm putting in this very good multi-tool. I've had this for about 2 years, and I'm really happy with it. It's really good. But the only problem is it doesn't fit very well. So, oh, never mind. It fits amazing. So we put my lighter in, and then my matches, and so it just fits in like that. So there it is right there, and there's some free space right there, if you can see. So I might add some more stuff in. I don't know. But I will get back to you at nighttime to show you how sleeping in that in the winter is. Actually, it's been super nice for the past few days. It rained a little bit yesterday, but it was sunny for the most part. So that was nice. So I will see you at night.